God, the last public riders of the day. Let's do it.
Listen up, everybody. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service, and as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge. There's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. An international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, enjoy the ride.
We're going to keep you safe in the shop. Keep you safe when you go out. Please turn off your cell phones and put away your cameras. Because when you flash over, you give us away.
Oh my God, this is great.
This is what we're doing. This is the race day after party. Wait, Roman Pierce. FBI, don't move. Yeah, that's right. Party's over. You know how long that took to iron the shirt? I'm not. You're under arrest.
Ooh.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Slightly. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for? Guarantee my safety. I'm the one holding the gun.
Never mind the whole.
Yeah! Woo! The people's eyebrow!
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you.
Not the baby mama! Oh.
Yeah, it was all vibrating. Sure tricks us. Hobbs can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to remove that.
Right next door.
Okay, gang. No flash photography and no cell phones. And keep very quiet.
Cell phone.
Which one of you is the witness? Speak now, you all get fried.
Yeah! Oh no! Oh! Ride or die! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo! No, the last thing's not working! Damn it! Guys are welcome to join the crew at any time. Woo! Hey, the party's here. The party is now. Time to act the fool. Woo! I got y'all. That's how you do it. Oh my God. Yo.